Okay, we are discussing about 10th class social, the making of independent and India's constitution. Our Indian constitution making period, I mean written period, the take the time period 1946 December 9th to 1949 November 26. The period of Indian Constitution make of Indian Constitution period. I mean total 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Here nearly 3 years. Our Indian Constitution, the important constitution. Why? Our Indian Constitution is the biggest constitution and lengthiest constitution in the world. Our India is the largest democracy country. Just like Indian freedom movement and the freedom fighters, ideas, goals, aspirations, and independent principles, independent ideas is the included in our Indian Constitution. Our Indian Constitution is the heaven of the life. The biggest constitution, lengthiest written constitution in the world. The constitution, basic principles, important acts, adopted some important to the country. Suppose amendment of policy, constitution amendment of policy is adopted from South Africa constitution. Fundamental rights, American constitution. Fundamental duties, Russian constitution. Direct to principles, Ireland. So many important points, so many important also adopted different countries' constitution. Why? Our Indian constitution is the most important constitution. Our India is a different type of Indian diversity country. Different types of caste, different religions, different traditions, different languages. Our India is a diversity and inclusive. Indian diversity, different cultures have in India. Here, constant assembly is the important house of our Indian country. 1946 to 49, the Act in India, main important legislature organ, constant assembly, short name CA. Now CA is parliament. 1949, November 26 is the important year and date. Why? Our Indian Constitution is a CA, Constant Assembly. Constant Assembly is the main important house of our Indian nation. 1949, November 26, the adopted constitution by the Constant Assembly. But November 26, it is the Indian Constitution Day. November 26, Indian Constitution Day. After 1950, January 26th, the important year and date and month. Why? Our Indian Constitution first year. Our Indian Constitution implemented first January 26, 1950. That's why January 26, it is a Republic Day. Republic Day. Republic Day. Our India became a republic country. Before January 26, 1950, India is not republic. 1950 January 26 onwards, India is a republic country. Republic means our Indian nation head. I mean first citizen of India. What the first citizen of India? What the first head of the country? President or Rashtrapati. The president is elected by the people through the election system. There is no hereditary, there is no monarchy system in India. Monarchy system is a hereditary system, Varsa. Father after son became a ruler, became a king. Only republic countries, there is no monarchy system, there is no hereditary or race system. Our Indian president, elected by the people, direct or indirect election of India, indirect elections. Indirect elections mean representatives. Our president elected by the representatives mean MPs, MLAs and MLs. Anybody who are the qualified members, the qualification of members is contested elections. So many members are Indian presidents. Philosophers, farmers, minorities, justice. There is no race, there is no monarch system. The type of country is republic country. I mean complete independent. Our Indian Constitution first year, first date month January 26, 1950. India became a Republic. Here, our Indian Constitution, it is the important constitution. Last class, some important basic principles, important outstanding features discussed. Once again, review outstanding features of Indian Constitution. Outstanding features. Basic features. Outstanding features of Indian Constitution. First of all, India is a rigid constitution. Our Indian Constitution amendment policy process is tough. Some policies amendment is very tough. Parliament two-thirds majority and majority states support the amendment. The rigid constitution and flexible constitution. Flexible means Indian Constitution amendment is simple. Process is simple. Simple means some amendments policies is simple mean or parliament simple majority. So simple majority automatically the amendment is done. The amendment process is simple is called flexible. One of the example, rigid constitution example in the world, American Constitution. And flexible constitution good example in our world, the world, England, United Kingdom. Here, our Indian Constitution, flexible constitution. And Indian Constitution preamble. Preamble means the introduction to Constitution. Our Indian Constitution basic principles have flex preamble. Our India is a democratic, sovereign, socialist, secular republic country or nation. Preamble is the main important basic principles and constitution and preamble. Preamble is the basic point. Next lengthiest written constitution. Written constitution. Our constitution is specific or clear written constitution. Lengthiest written. Next our Indian Constitution is the unitary and federal principles. Unitary federal. Unitary means the powers only having no central. Majority powers, major powers having central government. Federal means the powers of decentralization. The powers vested in central government is an unitary system. The powers is decentralization, not centralization. Decentralization means the powers of separation, states and central. The powers of distribution, the powers separation, the powers of decentralization is called federal system. Unitary and federal principles in our country. Unitary principles, just such as some principles discuss. First one, single citizenship. Our Indian government, our India should have only single citizen of the people. Single citizenship is a unitary. Or Union Public Service Commission maintained by central government, civil servants, example IAS, IPS, IFS, IRS. The servants, civil services also maintained by central government. According to legislature, according to executive, according to so many powers, having central unitary system of federal system of India, powers are separated, both central and states. Represent local body. Our Indian constitution, unitary and federal system. And parliamentary system. Parliamentary system of the country. Parliament. Our Indian government, our Indian constitution, parliamentary system, parliament. Our Indian constitution is the important next to democratic principles. Democratic. India is the largest democratic country. Democracy is the basic principle. Our India followed the democratic ideas, democratic government, democratic principle. Political parties there, every 5 years, elections to conduct the election commission. Political parties conduct elections. Who are the political party got majority seats? The party formed the government in central and state level. Democracy. Political parties. Our India multi-party system there. Some countries only 2 parties. Some countries few, 3, 4 parties. Our India, multi political parties there, hundreds of them. 100. Our India is a democracy. Every 5 years term elections. Lok Sabha 5 years, assemblies 5 years, local body elections also 5 years. Our president term tenure also 5 years. Elections is the basic principle of the democracy. Liberty, equality and fraternity is the basic principles. Our Indian Constitution fundamental rights, liberty, equality, fraternity also included in our Indian Constitution. That's why India is the biggest democratic country. Political parties are in any country elections process there. The country is a democratic country. Democracy is the basic principles of our Indian Constitution and our Union. Here today the lesson today discusses some points there. According to points, give one question, homework question. Write a short note. Write a short note or unitary and federal principles. Unitary and federal principles. Federal principles of our Constitution. Our Constitution. I mean, మన భారత రాజ్యాంగంలో ఉండే యూనిటరీ అండ్ ఫెడరల్ ఏకైక లక్షణాలు సమాజ లక్షణాలు ఇది షార్ట్